Hey guys, it's John with Character Ready. Today I got a great mail call. This is the WEN 8-inch 5-speed drill press, something that I wanted to be able to bring to the shop. That way I could bring some Forstner bits in and definitely give an added capability to what I can do out here. I'm going to open it up, put it together, do a quick time lapse of that, and tell you guys what I think about it. All right. Alright, so for this next part, what I'm going to do is I'm going to clean everything on the spindle, the chuck, any grease or grime that is on this from the packaging needs to be removed. The assembly instructions state that if it's left on there that it could come off during operation within the first couple of times that you're actually using the drill press. So that's what I'm going to do right now, and then we should be able to install the chuck and everything will be ready to roll. All right, that should do it. So I'm going to try to get a bit in here, and then we are going to try to do it. Alright guys, so I've got the chuck installed, I've got the bit in, and we're going to take this baby out for another test run. So I've got this on the basic speed setting. I haven't fooled with anything yet. I haven't mounted it to anything. Just want to try it out. Pretty easy install for everything. For installation instructions, it was fairly simple. It was like 4 steps. Most difficult thing was making sure that the chuck's installed right. And there it is. That is the 8-inch 5-speed drill press from WEN. Look forward to having this in the shop. That way we can turn some more projects. And this is definitely a good beginner drill press to start out with, and you know, get me used to using it and explore what all options that I can with it. So I'm going to use this starting out, and then the goal is to get a bigger one in a more permanent shop. But for right now, this guy will do just the trick. So, all right. See you guys. I'm going to go back up, and that's all I really wanted to do tonight, and I will catch you guys later. Appreciate it.